Minister Indranee Rajah, Director Doi, and all the distinguished guests from the member countries and the international organizations participating in person and virtually, I would like to extend my sincere congratulations to AMLO on its 10th anniversary. In 2011, AMLO started out as a small office of 11 people, and just in 10 years, it has established itself as a renowned international organization in the ASEAN regions with remarkable achievement. First, with enhanced macroeconomic surveillance capacity and regional expertise, AMLO has been actively supporting the members through timely analysis and useful policy advice. Also, AMLO has made significant contributions to enhancing the operational readiness of the CMIM, the Regional Financial Safety Net. Globally, AMLO has continued to raise its profile by forging synergies through cross-cooperation with peer institutions such as the IMF and OECD. I believe the key to AMLO's advancement lies in the outstanding leadership of AMLO directors, including Director Doi, and the passion and the dedication of the AMLO staffs. In particular, I highly appreciate that AMLO is always open to new ideas from members and was flexible enough to swiftly address the members' needs, especially in these turbulent times. Going forward, we expect AMLO to play a crucial role in addressing the common structural challenges of the regions, such as reconfigurations of the global value chain, transitions to a digital and green economy, and climate change response. In addition, we hope that AMLO will continue to support the ASEAN Plus 3 members to express our own views on these structural issues in global fora. Lastly, I would like to highlight that throughout this journey, the Korean government will always stand ready to give unwavering support to AMLO. Thank you.